Day 62, 365 days printing on vintage hardware, and I'm back from New Orleans, where my last hotel had these plywood access cards. So this one's for Vladimir. We finally have a replicator running. People often ask me how much of the collection is running, and almost all of them do. I've never printed with this replicator before. I got it from a Goodwill auction. You can see the sticker is still there. But we just came home from work, put some Captain tape on the bed. I leveled the bed, and then to answer a question people are going to ask, what software are we using? Flash Print 5, set to the Creator Pro profile, works. It creates the X3G files that the original replicator firmware needs. So we are printing a Gridfinity bin. I have printed one of these Gridfinity bin storage containers, and I'm storing all my screws in it. You know, the containers the screws come in are fine, but we often tear down a printer and have a lot of screws left over, or we order them in mass bags. And usually I will use some leftover filament, but for this print I grabbed this roll of Sparta 3D Pearl PLA that they gave us at 3D Printopia. I've never printed with it either. So while we're at it, let's take a look at the kinematics, since we were talking about that last night. So this is a Cartesian, standard Cartesian, but the Y motor turns that shaft, which moves the belts on both ends of the Y axis. And then up here, that is a spring off of a clothespin that acts as the tensioner. And for the X axis, there is a motor. So we talked about this. The excess weight of this motor on here does affect how fast you can really realistically go and have good print quality. Now this one's notable for my collection that it's the only single extruder replicator that I have. I have 3 others that are dual extruder. This one was a single, and I said, we'll get one more just because this one's a single. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next one.